Obila e kaunti ma Mombasa omako achije ariyo mitudo gohan loko yedhe ma meroji bang' juma achiel kuomgi ka muonyo pellets 44 ma cocaine ma nengone romo siling $1.5 million. Achijno ma jahigni 67 nomaki alap ndeke ma Moi Mombasa tarik 16 ka nochano dhi e piny mar Dubai bang' masinde mag skana fwenyo ni ne omuonyo yedhego. Achich mar ariyo michich ni tiyo gi jagono ne odhi omaki e ode kama bende nojuke gi cocaine moko maromo pallets 16.
We were able to arrest one person who was going to Dubai in Moi Airport. And we were able to recover from him 44 pellets of cocaine. And these are the exhibits that were recovered from him. Immediately after the arrest, he had swallowed it, 44 of them carrying in the stomach, going to Dubai from Moi Airport. We intercepted him, we took him to our place of isolation, and we were able to recover from his stomach 44 pellets. The market value of the pellets which he was carrying in his stomach is estimated to 1.5 in the stomach, one trip. We went to his home and recovered 64. We went to his home and recovered 16 others. So giving a total of 60 pellets of cocaine which were recovered from this suspect. He's still in custody and the case is pending before a court of law. We will deal with any politician who is likely to hire goons. We are going to withdraw his security na hatutacheka na hawa. Kama anaona akae na wahuni, kama security ajipange, basi aturudishie wale security yetu. Sisi pia tunahitaji our numbers, tunahitaji hawa officers kwa kazi. Akae na hiyo magunzi yake akitaka, lakini security tunachukua. So they have hard decisions to make. Either wakae na hiyo security na wawachane mambo ya hooligans. Kama sio hivyo, wakae na hawa, tupambane na hawa, tukutane kwa kiwanja. I'm appealing to them, please do your politics with principles and maturity. Do your politics based on ideas and not individuals. Do your politics on development and not chaos.
Jodak ma Homa Bay onyiso josiasa mawuok e kaunti no mondo ket maino e jiwo jopiny mar medo ndikore kaka jogo ombulu motelo ne yiero maduong' ma higa manyien